Hello, I am Flash Isaac. Have you ever wondered the best application to pass Jamb? Worry no more. Introducing the Flashlearners Jamb CBT, the best and most advanced Jamb application to pass UTME. With the Flashlearners Jamb application, you have access to thousands and thousands and thousands of Jamb UTME past and likely questions. You have access to UTME literatures. This means no need to buy Facebooks. You have access to Jamb recommended novels, and this app is updated yearly to include the new Jamb novels. You have access to 24 subjects, so irrespective of your course, your subjects are complete and you can even practice more subjects. The beauty is that you can choose topics instead of studying the whole topic. You can choose the year you wish to study. You can choose the practice or study mode, which shows you answers as you study. With the Flashlearners Jamb CBT app, you have access to a whole lot of features, subject options, UTME challenge to win 10,000 Naira and prizes weekly. You can play educational games, learn, play games, search questions using the question search, on-screen calculator, and performance analysis to see how you perform in various subjects and topics. You have access to Flashlearners YouTube channel, where you can watch all Flashlearners videos for free. Hundreds and hundreds of videos across all subjects and topics. So ideal gases only exist in theory, in a right-angled triangle. Why food cook faster? Lot of features and many more. The best application ever made to pass Jamb once and for all. Get it on Google Play Store and flashlearners.com.